Hello, all crochet lovers! In this video, I'll share one more simple and interesting crochet project with you. It's a pillowcase and I named it AZURA. I hope you'll enjoy the work as I did. As you can see, I couldn't stop with one AZURA. Now I have 3 such pillowcases and I'm gonna crochet AZURA more and more. So let's start. Here's my yarn and hook 4 millimeters. Make a magic ring and do 16 double crochets in this ring. We count chain 3 as the first double crochet. Slip stitch into the third loop. In the second round, we'll do increase in every stitch and get 32 double crochets in the end. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 3, a single crochet, chain 3 and a single crochet, omitting 1 double crochet of the previous round. Chain 1 will go as a simple crochet, then chain 3 and 1 simple crochet. Slip stitch into the first chain. Round 4, 3 double crochets into the middle chain. I'll do 2 slip stitches to reach the middle of the chain. Three double crochets into 1 stitch. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Round 5, here I'll be increasing in every second double crochet of the group of 3 double crochets. slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. A single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet, omitting one double crochet of the previous round. Chain 1 will go as a simple crochet, then chain 3 and 1 simple crochet. Now we'll make a square from a circle. Let's start to form a corner. Under any chain we'll do 2 treble crochets, chain 2, 1 double treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochets. Make a slip stitch under the chain. Chain 4 goes as the first treble crochet, 1 more treble crochet, chain 2, a double treble crochet, chain 2, and 2 treble crochets. Under the next chain, 3 double crochets. Under the next chain, 2 half double crochets. Then 3 times 2 single crochets under the chain, two half double crochets, three double crochets, and a corner, 2 treble crochets, chain 2, 1 double treble crochet, chain 2, and 2 treble crochets. And repeat. And a slip stitch into the 4th loop. Round 8. A double crochet into every stitch of the previous round. In the corner we do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochet. and a slip stitch. In round 9, we alternate 1 double crochet and chain 1. In the corners, the pattern stays the same. 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, slip stitch into the next top. Chain 3, chain 1, a double crochet into every second stitch, chain 1. Next round, double crochets only. So keep on crocheting rounds till the necessary size. If to imagine this is a pillow, we need to increase the size till the sides of the square meet the corners. If you want, you also may starch the square and block it with pins as I show. Now, when it's perfectly smooth and dry, it's time to assemble the square into a pillowcase like this. So turn the project face down. I leave free 8 cells and join the sides together. They may be joined different ways. I'll do slip stitches. Then weave all ends. And now final little thing, a braid for tying. I'll chain 77. And AZURA is done. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos.